Hi, I'm Greg Lawrence.
And I'm Catherine Amman.
We are here to talk about our upcoming workshop, Tantra, the Science of Creating Your Soulmate.
You know, we held this workshop a couple months ago, and it was sold out, and the feedback, if I do say so myself, was really good. So we want to hold it again, and hopefully this time you'll join us.
You know, as the name implies, there is a science to both attracting and creating a soulmate relationship. Relationship is like a person. It's something that can always be improved upon, and we're going to show you some ways that you can, the first day after the workshop, improve the way that you relate and communicate with each other and continue to develop this relationship.
And if you're not in a relationship, it's the same principles apply whether you're working on yourself. I'm sure most of the people watching this video are really involved in personal and spiritual growth. And there's certain things I know that I missed in my development, even though I was working really hard on myself, that I didn't have to help me to attract my soulmate, Greg, here. And so some of those pieces are in this workshop, so that a person attending this can both work on themselves, and if they're in a relationship, work on their relationship.
We're going to go beyond flowery spiritual language and show you some actual methods, techniques, and things that you can do in your relationship.
Relationships, because I just want to keep underlining it's for both for singles and couples, because in this particular workshop the same principles apply. Other workshops are just for couples, but this one, it's this principles for both singles and couples, working on yourself and then with the people you encounter.
Yeah, there are things you can do as an individual, and of course things you can do as a couple, and there are things that you can do to create a container in a relationship where that improvement is part of the relationship. And we keep saying work, but it's actually a lot of fun.
Yeah, we're going to have a lot of fun in the workshop also, so come join us, and see you soon.
Hope to see you.